my great grandma's. And if you're not so lucky to inherit something like that that will be able to be used forever, make sure you check out the link in the description. It'll take you to Amazon, and I have a lot of amazing baking items that I recommend you get if you don't have any, including the top 10 things you need to take your cookie making to the next level, including some super awesome baking trays, cookie scoops, spatulas, and a lot of other stuff. So make sure you check it out, and back to the video.